Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nabi Hassan, heading the library system at Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Thank you for joining this session. So before I begin my presentation, I would like to express my gratitude to Special Libraries Association and Proxana for giving me this opportunity. So my presentation, the topic is marketing strategies and services to the library patrons during the pandemic, a case study of India. So I would like to start with this quote given by American Library Association President Julius Jefferson Jr. that libraries kept Americans connected in ways that brought our communities closer. Buildings may not have been open, but libraries were never closed. This is true in a sense that most of us were closed for a very long time or still partially open as far as the physical buildings and the physical visit of the users are concerned. But we continue to provide different library services using different marketing strategies in this digital world during the pandemic. COVID-19 has impacted everyone and all walks of the life. Many of the above are physical labor-intensive industries, but library profession is RT supported. So there was and is a hope. When the news of COVID-19 came from Wuhan, people did not take it seriously. But from March 2020, people started seeing the impact on the libraries as well. Libraries and librarians were unprepared for such a situation. Accordingly, they adopted one of these approaches. Some kept the libraries more or less usual or as per the new or next normal, some with some restrictions and others with full closures, some preparing for opening or are reopened. So the effect of this situation resulted in fully online teaching and learning. People started using different tools and softwares for teaching, learning, and different devices and platforms like Zoom, WebEx, etc. Here, libraries and librarians are playing a vital role for facilitating this process. During the period of closed libraries, the focus remained to build more and more ebook and other e-resource collections and to provide easy remote access to the authorized users. Funding has been severely reduced. Overall, there is a loss to the collection development and difficulties in the management. When we are open now, as per the new or next normal, we have to do a lot for physical and mental well-being of staff and patrons by limiting numbers in the library, limiting concentration of user, quarantining of the library material, etc. In this situation, the duty of libraries is also to help control the fake news stories by adopting different strategies. Library marketing for its resources, services, and products is always challenging, even when people were physically visiting and seeing these in the library. However, from the COVID-19 times, providing access to library resources has become very challenging. In fact, smart people started providing smart library services using smart ways, even when the reading spaces were fully closed or are still partially closed. The most important part in this regard is using different ways of marketing your resources, services, and products, that too using different digital marketing strategies. So the librarians explored and implemented different strategies as if the patrons cannot come to the reading spaces. Let's reach to them as per their convenience. We need aggressive library marketing during this tough time. I shall now be sharing my experience as how we have been dealing during COVID-19 in my institute, like some best practices from IIT Delhi Central Library using standard operating procedures and services. One of the activities that was executed is reduced working hours and limiting the staff concentration. IIT Delhi took several digital initiatives before and during the pandemic to serve the users well. These include digitally transformed library website, Arpit MOOCs course development, faculty profiling system linked to digital resources from the web of it, e-prints at IT Delhi using DSpace, online book recommendation system, single window discovery service, e-news clipping services, video library services, digital display of newly arrived books, remote login, self-service RFID system, digital uploads and access, judicious use of social networking, virtual book exhibition, library app, etc. Library website is the most important, especially during this online regime. Dynamic websites are playing important role and as an important marketing strategy as well. So in the coming slide, I shall be sharing some perspectives from India. Announcements are serving as an important marketing tool to attract the users and learners. So as the need-based webinars and online workshop on regular basis. IT Delhi Central Library managed working remotely as well during full and partial closures, and access and freedom was given to the staff to provide library services from home as well. Links were provided through different ways to ease the access of resources. Virtual book exhibitions were conducted to enhance the collections. Libraries adopted unique strategies like Book of the Day or student outreach. The goal was to increase students' awareness and usage of the library's tools, services, and programs. This is giving a lot of value to IT Delhi Library, nationally and internationally, as we offer the government-supported MOOCs in library information sciences. Remote access to resources through different ways, either using VPN or Shibboleth based access management system has become very popular and useful. Interlibrary loan and document delivery services were increased as part of marketing strategy. Smart library services were strengthened, like Ask the Librarian, Institute faculty profiling system, use of RFID Dropbox, library app, single window search, library social media accounts were highly used. Judicial use of social networking is also important in this pandemic as the users are hooked to the screen. This is the screen from the locally developed faculty profiling system, which can give you really good data about the faculty or the institute regarding their publications or citations, etc. For more accessibility, this is a good way of doing the marketing of your digital resources, as all your digital resources have been linked to the OPAC as well, which is generally accessed by people in large number. So online book recommendation system was quite helpful or is helping during this pandemic because people can recommend the desired collections using this recommendation system. You can explore this freely news clipping services during work from home as well. You can ask a question using this chat facility. Libraries are trying to help users by uploading downloadable content on their websites. Different research support services are of utmost importance during the period. Everything on cloud is a great support so that you can access everything even if the building is closed. So IT Delhi Central Library has moved all its resources, services, and product, including library management system or like digital repository or like our website, everything on our government supported cloud, that is Badal. So IT Delhi has seen great increase in ebook and usage of the books and journals simply because of its marketing strategy. This is the time to utilize your efforts to help improve the visibility and public perception using different free tools and sites. So this is the screen which shows India's national level library support system, which help the people to fulfill their informational requirements like National Digital Library of India, National Virtual Library of India, National Library of India, Delhi Public Library System, and different association and individual efforts. So this is the screenshot. You can see like people tried with different ways. So this is one of the first tram library services introduced in Kolkata, India during this pandemic. So a floating library has arrived in Kolkata for the first time in India. So people adopted all the different innovative ways to provide the library services and kept the people relaxed and engaged. This is a screen from one of the colleagues from IIT Ropar providing innovative reading material and services to the have-not children. This is another interesting example of library services using own resources. This lady teacher attracted the attention of the Indian Prime Minister as well for her reading services. So is the case with this couple. Librarians reaching out to the colleagues in need like Help LIS mission has been established to help the families of the COVID sufferers from the library information science profession. People tried to explore the use of AI and machine learning to help their user during this difficult time. Marketing is very important as it not only helps to showcase the resources, services, and products that your library and librarian is offering, but also to make the thing smooth to run, including help for getting the funds from the higher authorities. So with this, I would like to conclude that in the COVID-19 and digital environment, there is a change in the role of libraries and librarians, and it is inevitable for survival as well. Librarians need to see the library through their patron's eye rather than through a librarian's eye. Smart librarians are going to survive with smart library services, smart marketing strategies, with digital initiatives. Saying that the librarians are obsolete now because we have the internet is like saying that the doctors are obsolete now because we have the telemedicine. That's how the future of libraries and librarians are evolving. So this quote from the Charles Darwin is very much suitable in this situation because it is not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. So this is a difficult situation, perhaps after 100 years of that Spanish flu of 1918. So this is a difficult time. Those who are not responsive to this change may find it difficult to survive. So these are some of the references from where I have taken help for this presentation. So before I say thank you to the organizers and participants again for their keen interest, I wish to acknowledge that the presentation or this lecture has been prepared from different resources to help learners to understand the topic for academic and research use. I duly acknowledge the scholars and website content providers whose material has been used in my presentation or this lecture. So the protocol for new normal is avoid men and follow women on a lighter note. Means avoid touching mouth, eyes and nose and follow. Wash your hands, obey social distance, mask up, exercise and eat well, and no unnecessary traveling. So with this, I would like to thank again all the listeners and organizers for their interest in this lecture. And if you have any comments or queries, you can post in the chat box or you can email me as well. Thank you very much.